Okay, not going to keep you long today, just going to make some coleslaw. So what I've got here is I've got some white cabbage, shredded, fairly thin. There's about 3 or 4 cups there. A cup of bell peppers, again cut thin. I've got just under a cup here of green onions, but just the tops. Carrots, now I've cut them nice and thin like that. You could grate them if you want, but I like them in there with that kind of crunch on them. Half a cup of onions, I'm using red. And then here I've got ranch sauce, or ranch sauce, whatever you say. About half a cup, and about half a cup of mayonnaise. I like the combo of the two in there. A little bit of salt and pepper, job done. So as you can see, I've got a large mixing bowl there and all the ingredients are in. Let's add a nice big pinch or two of black pepper. And then I'm going to put a little bit of salt in because I find the mayo a little bit salty, but you can adjust that. And in fact, you can adjust the amounts of carrots and that to get it exactly how you like. Let me give that a mix. Sweet corn and other vegetables can go in here, a little bit of celery maybe, just to kind of make it a little bit more funky. Right, let's get the mayo and the ranch sauce in there. I like the combo of these two in that. And I don't like it swimming in a mayo. I like it just to kind of catch all the vegetables. Now some people, which I really dislike a lot, some of you might like it, but people put sugar in here. That is a real no-no for me. Right, little mix, we've done it. Job done, crispy, crunchy, and just really beautiful. Nice and easy. Keep safe, keep well, see you soon, lots of love.